Hello guys and welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to copy and paste signals from the Skyrocket Signals group, which is free. So click the link in the description to join this group. I'll teach you how to copy signals and paste it in your MT4 and make profits from your trade. So first things first, you open the group and look for signals. As you can see, these are today's signals. This is the latest signal. This is a signal, this is a signal, this is a signal, this is a signal, and as you can see, there are a lot of take profits happening, guys. 50 pips take profit, 20 pips take profit, a lot of take profits happening, guys. So first things first, you copy this signal, paste it in your notes. As you can see, I've already pasted it here. Copy the first take profit, go to your MT4. As you can see, I have already placed the trade, but I'm going to place it again. Look for the currency pair right here. Okay, you can check the chart to confirm the trade. As you can see, that it is a sell trade because it hit this trend line and it's going down. It hit this trend line and it's going to go down. We predicted that this chart is going to go, it's going to trend down and it's going to hit this take profit. If it doesn't even hit this, it's going to hit this. So that's that. Click on trade, then you sell the market. Click on trade again, sell the market again. Then next thing to do is to hold on to it and click on modify and paste your signal, your value for the signal. Go back, copy the next take profit and also paste it. Then the next thing is to copy the stop loss so that you wouldn't have any reason to lose more. Copy the stop loss and paste. Modify again for the next one and paste. As you can see, I have already set take profit and stop loss for each of the trades, and I'm expecting profit soon. And as you can see, it is rising. I'm just expecting it to turn blue. Should we wait for it to turn blue? Let's wait then. Okay, I don't have so much time, but this trade is going to go down as predicted and it's going to hit TP1 and TP2. Yes, so the group is completely free, guys. It's completely free. We have 16 subscribers. We just launched this group this week and we have 16 subscribers. So I would urge all of you to click on the link in the description below and subscribe to this group so you can enjoy the free signals we are offering. It's completely free. And if you want to learn how to trade, you need someone to mentor you, you need someone to put you through, just join the group and send a message to SR Signals. We will teach you how to trade, we'll mentor you, put you through everything you need. You can also share the group, copy the link and share the group for your friends and families to join and also benefit from these free signals. It's completely free, guys. We're just doing a favor, but we are also offering the service of teaching and mentoring forex trading for a fee of $100 online class and a fee of $1,000 one-on-one Skype class. The Skype class will be very in fact will be more understandable and it will be better. The Skype class is going to be better than the one-on-one online class, but you are going to learn well from both. It is just $100 for the one-on-one online class, and we'll teach you how to trade. We'll teach you everything about trading. I guess that is that for that. Let's check our trades. Okay, they should be entering profits now. As you can see, it is reducing. So that is that for that, guys. Subscribe to the channel, click the link in the description below. Subscribe to this Telegram channel, not the YouTube channel, this Telegram channel. Look for the link. This is the link. look for the link, click it, and subscribe. I will be expecting 50 subscribers. You all are the ones motivating me to post more signals on this group. So subscribe and enjoy. Peace.